Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Evan. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and consider liking this video. Before getting started with today's video, check out my ECS and Amazon affiliate link down below. Now moving on, this is something that I've wanted to do for a very long time. I wanted to do it on my E46 when I first got it, but unfortunately I realized my car was not the right color and it would look funny. This mod is a mod that you can do to any BMW and it will transform the way the front end looks. I'll show you guys in a second, but before doing so, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keys Motorsports for making this video possible. I will have a link to their website, so go check it out in the description below. So here's what I have in store today, installing gloss black grills, and the double slat ones that go on the M cars. Still looks super cool. Really like the gloss black look. I think it will go really well with my carbon black car. I didn't do it on my E46 because I thought it would look funny with the paint that I have, so I'm really happy that I got them for this car, and hopefully in the future the E46 will get them when the car is a different color. So I just want to take a quick look at how my grills currently look. Excuse my car, I know it's super dirty, but I do have these chrome grills. These are the factory ones for my car, and they've seen better days, so definitely having some gloss black ones will really improve the aesthetics of my car. Now, the only tools you're really going to need is a plastic pry tool with like a U shape to get under some pins and a T30. I've seen people just pull the grills out, just yank on them, but we're not going to do that for the F series. I know the E46 here and some of the E series is a little easier. We're going to start by pulling up this seal right here, and it's going to reveal some clips, and we're actually going to pull the front of the bumper away just a little bit. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 T30s and some clips, so we're going to remove those now. Now we can release these pins right here. Just get a pry tool and pull up. Now the next thing we can do is start to lift this up a little bit, but we need to release. So now you can lift these up a little. You can take more of them out. You can take the back ones, but I think that's all we need. There is one more T30 that sits here and here. So we're going to have to release that too, and then we should be able to pull the bumper forward just enough and get our hand and help guide the grill out. Now with all the screws out, we can kind of pull forward just a little bit. Now you're just going to stick your hand behind it, and the goal is to push the pins in and pull up at the same time. So I do want to show you on the new one, there's these tabs that you need to push down and depress, or depress the whole thing. And when you depress the whole thing, you can depress it and then kind of pull it out, and that's what I'm trying to work at right now, but it is very challenging. These things are secured on very, very well, so just keep working at it. Plastic pry tool to get some of them is helpful, and that's kind of how I'm attacking it. Well, that was way more of a pain in the ass than I thought it would. I have the grill out. We do have this little foam piece that I think we're going to have to reuse, and oh my god. So basically you have to press these tabs in. Sometimes I pulled up on them. I also took a plastic pry tool in here to try to, but my knuckles are cut up, my arms cut up. This was pretty bad. I thought it was gonna be much easier, but the next one will be easier because we can get our hand behind there now. Easier to pop them out instead of kind of reaching through the top. So we're gonna pop out the second one. Now with the grills out, I want to clean up this whole inside. I just like to keep things clean while I'm in there, keep the car always cleaner. And to do that, we're gonna use Speed Wipe by Chemical Guys. I'll have this linked down below. Really like this stuff. They also have another kind of cleaner and gloss prohibitor that I like too, but we're gonna use this. Now, one more thing that I'm going to do is I recently saw this in BMW Fanatics video, so shout out to him, is I'm going to take a little bit of silk and shine dressing and dress up the whole, all this plastic inside and make it look nice. So I'm going to do that now. I will also link this down below too if you guys are wondering. definitely a nice little touch cleaning all the black plastics with dressing, just makes it look super new. So now we're gonna take this foam piece that we took off the old one and just mold it around. Once molded, we can now just take the grill, make sure that this doesn't want to fall out. And we can just push in, make sure you line up the clips and push in firmly. Just like that, the grill is in. I did have to help some of the clips on the back to seat it fully flush, but it's in, it looks good, and it fits good. So I like that, especially for something that's aftermarket, not genuine BMW. It fits very, very good, and I'm happy with the fitment too. So there's that. Let's move on to the next one now. And bam, they're in. We're gonna tidy up the top, clean it up, and put all the screws back, and then I'll show you guys what they look like on the car. All right, everyone, so here is the finished product. It looks so good with the double slats, really cleaning the inside. Those little vents that are inside really help out and define the black in it, because it was a little gray, and putting some shine on that really helped. You cannot see it at all. Looks super good. Alright guys, so that is it I have for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the gloss black grills. I really like the double slat grills. I wish my E46 was a different color so I could add the gloss black grills, because I think they look super good. This is probably like the #1 mod you can do to any BMW. It makes the front end look super aggressive, makes it look very good. So highly suggest doing this mod. If you guys would like to buy these grills for any other BMW, not just the F10, I'll drop a link down below to Keys Motorsports where you can pick these up. That is all I have for today's video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Also check out my Amazon ECS affiliate link down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.